Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through turning off haptic feedback in the Calm app. If you find the small vibrations distracting while using the app, you can easily disable them in just a few taps. Follow along as I show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Finally, at the top of the Settings page, you will see the option for haptic feedback. Simply toggle this option off to disable the vibrations. By doing this, you can enjoy a smoother and quieter experience while using Calm. That's how you disable haptic feedback in the Calm app. This quick change will make your meditation sessions more peaceful and free from unwanted vibrations.